Hey guys, it's Amaya. So today I filmed a slick back bun tutorial. Someone requested a bun tutorial, but I'm not sure if they meant like back or like a high bun. So I think I'm gonna do a high bun tutorial next, like in my future videos. But this is her. You know, the hair is growing. We're getting inches now, okay? Period. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Okay, so I'm going to start out with like freshly washed hair. It's just been in my bonnet and in a ponytail for the past few days, and I put some of this in it just to like moisturize it so it's not like dry out of its mind. So I'm gonna start out with just some water, and I'm just gonna spray my hair to make it wet. And my hair, like I said, it's freshly washed, which means that it's also freshly detangled. So I'm not working with any tangles. I feel like it's a lot easier to put your hair in a bun or any type of style, obviously, when it's detangled. So that's why. I'm gonna take a little bit more of the Cream of Nature Curl Activating Cream. I'm just going to put that around the perimeter of my hair and on the ends as well. So we're just prepping our hair for right now. Cute. Okay, period. So you're gonna need is some gel. I'm using Eco Styler. I don't know how the natural hair community feels about Eco Styler gel anymore, but she's cheap and she works, so that's what we're gonna use. For bristle brush, and I have two little hair ties, one that's smaller, one that's a little bit bigger, my edge brush, and a comb. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually going to just part my hair to the side, and honestly, last time I did this we weren't able to see the part, but it did help a little. Okay, so I just parted my hair like that. Like, it's nothing serious, it just helps the hair kind of go where it needs to go. So like this can go in this section this way, and then this can go like kind of over here kind of thing. Yeah, so you won't really be able to see it, but it's okay. I'm gonna take my Eco Styler. I'm just going to put it on the perimeter of my hair again. Okay, and don't forget like this area right here. I need to get that too. I'm gonna put it down here as well. Next, we're gonna take our brush. We're just gonna start brushing this back. That's what I mean, like you won't be able to see the part. It just guides you to where one half of your hair should go, and then it guides you to where the other half of your hair should go. So like here I'm brushing this back like this, and then here, like, and we parted it here, brushing it back like that. I'm gonna take a little bit more gel. I'm going to put it on the very back of my head, and then I took the bigger hair tie out of the two, and I'm just gonna try and put it back. Like, you know, we are not experts here, we're just people trying to learn how to manage our hair. Okay, so after doing that, I see like I clearly need to fix this. I need to put a little bit more up top here. So you basically just kind of want to like try and grab everything back like that. And you know what, if you see how there's like these little things poking out, what you can do is you can actually take a comb and you can brush or comb them out. See? That looks so much better. So boom, I just kind of grabbed everything, slicking it back with my hands. And then we're gonna take our ponytail holder, hair tie, whatever you want to call it. And I'm just gonna tie it around super tight. So I twist, and then you go back, and then you take it. And I think I'm only gonna do it 3 times. And boom. Now we have a ponytail. We're gonna take our small little one, and what I like to do, so it looks like this right now, and then we twist. Just twist it around itself kind of thing. And then I grab it with my whole hand, and I take the other one, and I put it over top, just like that. And I don't do it too many times. I only do it about twice, like that. So now we have part of a bun. So I'm gonna take some more Eco, and I'm just gonna do my edges. I'm gonna go get some bobby pins, and you can leave it like this if you want, but if you want like the perfect bun, then you might want to get some bobby pins and like bobby pin this part down. I'm gonna get some bobby pins just to show you guys. I'm just gonna take this part here, see that? Not cute. I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna bring it down like that, and I'm gonna bobby pin into the bun. And sometimes what you want to do is, like, you see this, you can bring it around, and then you can bobby pin it in. I'm gonna finish off with some of this finishing spray. Just hair polish, you know, just to make your hair look nice and polished. Okay, and then finally, what you want to do is, if you are getting ready or something like that, you can use a hair tie. Yeah, so what you can do is you can take a hair tie, and then you can just tie down your hair. Ooh. And you want to make it like pretty tight, not too tight to the point where it's like you would get a headache, but like, you know, decently tight, just so that it kind of forms to your head and that it's actually like putting everything down, you know, because like all those little flyaways, I don't know if you guys saw them, but there are a little couple flyaways, and like this will help the hair like set in place. So if you want to put this on and then you can do your makeup, or you can put on your outfit, that sort of thing. The longer you leave this on, the better your hair is going to look at the end. So very much necessary. So this is the finished hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next one.